Welcome to today's episode, Law Students. We're getting into creating effective outlines for law school, a crucial skill that enhances understanding of legal principles and boosts exam performance. Let's explore the essentials of outlining and how it can streamline your study process. An outline in law school combines your class notes, case briefs, and the black letter law into a structured format. It reflects the course's structure, often following the textbook's table of contents, and includes everything from rules and concepts to hypotheticals and case summaries. This approach helps students see how legal rules apply in real-world scenarios. Outlining isn't just a one-time task, it's an ongoing process throughout the semester. Starting early allows you to adjust and refine your content, eliminating redundant information as your understanding deepens. The goal is to keep only the essential details you need to memorize for exams, making your study sessions more efficient. To begin, use your syllabus to identify major topics and legal issues. Organize these topics systematically with headings and subheadings. Include detailed rule statements from your lectures and case readings, paraphrased in your own words to aid comprehension and retention. This organization helps you build a comprehensive overview of the course material. As you progress, continually refine your outline. Simplify complex ideas and focus on the core elements necessary for understanding the course. When exams are near, condense your notes into a shorter attack outline, which includes only the most critical points for quick revision. Your outline is more than just a study guide. It's a tool for active learning. Use it to solve hypothetical problems and apply legal principles. Regularly updating it with new insights ensures it remains a relevant and effective resource for both coursework and exams. Effective outlining can vary between digital and handwritten formats. Choose what works best. Consider using color coding and visual aids like charts to make complex information easily accessible. Ensuring your clear and concise outline will make it an indispensable tool for your legal education. Outlining is vital for mastering law school material and preparing for exams. It organizes vast amounts of information into manageable segments, helping you focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more successful insights into the legal profession.